August 1st, 2026, 17496 East Williams Road. This is a video to demonstrate the temperature imbalances in the home. This is the middle bedroom off the hottest bedroom. We're going to do a temperature gauge just inside the duct. $59.9. Interesting. We're going to do a reading off of the showing the airflow underneath the duct using a 6-inch strip of grocery bag and a lighter to show which way the air is actually flowing. Shawnee, I can't see your hand. It's not really moving much. You can also see across the wall from there. It barely moves the air right, moves a little bit there. But is there any air coming underneath the duct? Can we see that again real quick? Or is it just hitting straight into the top of the closet and going into the walls?
Just going into the walls.
Well, that would be why this room is hot. That's not even blowing at all. Let's take another reading on the wall as you walk in. You would think at 59, it's got to be cold. 73. Airflow is important.